Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Complex number. Complex number. It is denoted by letter Z. Z is equals to A plus IB, where A represent real part and IB represent imaginary part. Then A is also known as A is equals to real part of Z. B is equals to imaginary part of Z. I is known as imaginary unit. I is equals to root minus 1, or I square is equals to minus 1. I raised to n is equals to 1 or minus 1 when n is even, and I raised to n is equals to I or minus I when n is odd. For example, I raised to 6 is equals to I square bracket cube is equals to I square is minus 1 bracket raised to 3 is equals to minus 1. I raised to 8 is equals to I square bracket raised to 4 is equals to minus 1 raised to 4 is equals to 1. When power is even, 6 or 8 or 10, then the value of I raised to n is equals to 1 or minus 1. Similarly, when I raised to 9 is equals to I raised to 8 into I is equals to I raised to 8 is 1. 1 into I is equals to I. Similarly, I raised to 13 is equals to I raised to 12 into I is equals to I square bracket raised to 6 into I. The power of I square is 6, which is even number. Therefore, the value is I. I raised to 15 is equals to I raised to 14 into I is equals to I square bracket raised to 7 into I. The power of I square is 7, which is odd. The value of I square bracket raised to 7 is minus 1. Therefore, minus I. If A is equals to 0, then and B not equal to 0, then Z is equals to plus or minus IB, which is purely imaginary. And if A not equal to 0, B is equals to 0, then Z is equals to A, which is, or complex number is purely real, number. algebra of complex number. Complex number. First point, conjugate of complex number. Conjugate of complex number. Conjugate of complex number Z is denoted by Z bar. If Z is equals to A plus IB, then Z bar is equals to A minus IB. Next point, addition of complex number. Addition of complex number. If Z1 is equals to A1 plus IB1 and Z2 is equals to A2 plus IB2, then Z1 plus Z2 is equals to A1 plus IB1 plus A2 plus IB2. Then adding real numbers A1 plus A2 plus I common outside B1 plus B2. B1 plus B2 are the imaginary part. Therefore, taking common outside I. Next topic, third point, subtraction of complex number. Z1 minus Z2 is equals to A1 plus IB1 minus A2 plus IB2. Adding real number subtracting real number as well as subtracting imaginary number, that is A1 minus A2 plus into bracket IB1 minus IB2. I common outside from imaginary part. Therefore, Z1 minus Z2 is equals to A1 minus A2 plus I common outside B1 minus B2 is the subtraction of imaginary part. Next point, multiplication of complex number. Z1 into Z2 is equals to A1 plus IB1 into A2 plus IB2. First, multiply A1 to every term of the bracket. A1 into bracket A2 plus IB2. Then plus IB2 B1 into bracket A2 plus IB2. Then simplify the bracket by multiplying A1 A2 plus I A1 B2 plus I A2 B1 plus I square B1 B2. We know that I square is equals to minus 1. Therefore, Z1 into Z2 is equals to A1 A2 plus I common outside from second and third term I into bracket A1 B2 plus A2 B1 minus I square represent minus 1. So minus B1 B2. Therefore, B1 B2 is real number. So club A1 A2 minus B1 B2, because A1 A2 is also real number. A1 A2 minus B1 B2 bracket complete plus I into bracket a1b2 plus a2b1. This part is real part of z1 z2 and this part is imaginary part of the complex number z1 z2. If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good